Hey everyone, it's Anthony, and I have gotten some feedback on maybe some confusion or just some missteps in terms of the best way to start your Zoom meetings. So, in some of the training that I have put out, which I've talked about, going to zoom.us and going to your meetings to view all of them, and that is definitely the case. That's where you should schedule your meetings and do all that good stuff. Manage the recordings, all that fun stuff. So just as a refresher, I'm on the zoom.us website. I logged in with my school Google account, and I'm here on the meetings tab. All right, so the meetings tab is going to bring up all the scheduled meetings that I have. So you'll see A block, B block, C block, D block. Okay, so I have all these meetings here. Now say it's time for A block to start. I'm going to hit the start button. So remember that when you hit start in this dashboard here, when you're on the web, in the Google Chrome browser, I went to zoom.us. You're in the website, you're in the web version. So Zoom is unlike Google Meet in that Zoom relies on an external app for the meeting to operate. So I'm on a Windows laptop, and so it's going to open up another program in order to start the meeting, the Zoom app. So when I hit start, what happens is I get a pop-up right here that says open Zoom meetings. Zoom.us wants to open this application. You can check this to always allow Zoom to open these types in the associated app. That's fine. You don't have to check that. You're going to get this pop-up every single time you click on the link in the web dashboard if you don't check this. So that's fine. Either way is okay. So I'm going to click open Zoom meetings. What Open Zoom Meetings does is it opens up the app that I was talking about just a minute ago, the Zoom Cloud Meetings app. Okay, and that is over here. It's loading up right now. It's connecting. Here I am. I'm about to start my meeting, or the meeting has started. Connect with the computer audio, all that good stuff. So you know this part. The part that is getting people tripped up is that external link, that opening up the link. That extra step within the browser. So if you want to avoid that extra step, here's what you're going to do. In the Zoom app itself, you want to sign in. So notice here I have the sign in box. I'm not signed in. If I close this completely down, what I would do is I would go to the start menu. I would find Zoom. Okay, I have it here pinned to my start menu here, start Zoom. Or I'd scroll down in my alphabetical list of apps to Zoom, and I would start Zoom here. Okay, so start Zoom. It's going to open up that app, that same app that is linked to in the dashboard online. But now here what I'm going to do is I'm going to sign in, and you're going to see what it looks like. I'm going to sign in, similar looking page. Remember, we're not using these boxes here. We're not entering our email and password. We're going to sign in with Google. We're always going to sign in with Google for Zoom. Sign in with Google, opens up the browser, wants me to sign in, select my account. I'm going to choose my NPS account. And then it's going to give me a similar dialog box that I get when I launch a meeting from the web portal. Only what's going to happen now is I'm going to always be logged in to the Zoom app. And when I'm logged into the Zoom app, you've got a couple of more, you've got some more features here. You can start a new meeting on the fly. You can join a meeting. You can schedule a meeting. You can share your screen. You can chat with people. You can, and you can view your meetings. Okay, so here I have 2 meetings that I had scheduled for today. All right, I've also got my personal meeting link, and if I scroll down, you see I've got my A block, B block, C block, D block. So this is going to take away that extra step from going in when you're going in through the web. You won't need to click on that link to open it up in this app. It's already here in the app. So you're signed in with your NPS Google account. You view your meetings, and here you are, A block. I can start the meeting right from here. I copy the invitation, get all the details for the meetings right here in this app. So it's just kind of a streamlines the way to start the meetings. If you have a PC, this is generally the way it goes, whether it's Windows 10, Windows 7. If you have a Mac, same thing. You can open up the Mac app. If you're on a Chromebook, it even works the same way. Even though it is all web-based on a Chromebook, there is that little Zoom app down on the bottom on the taskbar on the way bottom. Click on Zoom. If you're not signed in there, sign in there. You'll see all your scheduled meetings, all your recurring meetings, and you can just start them right from there. Just kind of like I said, streamlines what you're doing. I hope that you found that helpful, and I look forward to working with you again soon. Have a great night or day, whatever time it is when you're watching this. Peace.